What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video, and today we're taking a look at some cases for your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So a big shout out to I-Blason for sending these out for a review. I'll leave a link in the description where you can go over and check these out at Amazon.com. You can pick up the Aries and the Cosmos series, look like it here. But I'll leave the link and you can go over and check it out. These are available for your S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra. So big shout out to them as well. They sent me out a dummy unit to showcase these cases. I did not get the Ultra, but I did get the S20, the regular S20 here with the 6.2 inch display, and it is very nice. So you guys can see that this one is so much huger, and this is a real nice fit in the hand, but this one has the dope cameras. If you like big phones, this one definitely is big. So let's get into these and see what we got here. So this is the Aries black one. So let's check this out right quick. So you get your paperwork and stuff in the box. And here's the case. Pretty nice looking case right there. Has that black look to it, border going around it there. And just super nice. Now these are two-piece cases, so you have to grab it here on the end like that and separate it. Take your device, snap the front piece on first, and drop this in just like so. So that is really nice looking there, man. You got your flap down here for your charging port, your speaker, microphone, camera cutout, volume up and down, power switch, a little bit of branding right there, and a mic at the top. And you can see your phone, whatever color it is, in the back of it there. So let's move on to the next one. I really like that case. It's really nice. Let's get this over to the side. All right, so the next one, this is going to be the blue, Aries blue. All right, you get your normal paperwork and stuff there. And here's the blue one. So that blue and black is a nice combination there. Let's go ahead and drop it on there, take a look at it. Now all the cutouts and everything are exactly the same, so no use of going around that again. But easy to pop in. There it is, black and blue. That looks good. And there it is. Do have beefed up corners on these as well for nice drop protection. Do have a little bit of a lip there for lay down. All right, let's check out this last color, guys. Get that back together. All right, that's the blue one. And so the last one is purple, Aries purple. All right, so here's that purple joint, man. That thing looks good, man, with the light and dark purple there. Let's pop it on here and see. All right. And there you go. So if you got that black one with that purple, you're going to be looking clean, just like that, man. All the cutouts the same. And like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for these cases if you guys want to pick it up. Will H Tech Review, and I'm out.